Bobo Rock Boy right here.
Lalela Sthandwa Sami asengikwatise ubuhlungu longibise bona usuku bonke ngingakhona nekulala ngishimbilika ngikuquka ngikhala yathi injabulo yami isetandleni takho yobuhlungu bami busetandleni takho maye mina ngiyakuthanda uma ubuka nje ngathi kuncane ngabamba icingo just for isikhashane mara kimi kuyangibulala nje ngoba kufika imicabango eminingi kwekuqala ngithi buda ingabe ubhizi ngani wena lapho ukhona lele ngakalele wena ungakhoni nekubamba mangishaya mangwhatsappa wena baby I'll respond uma ngishaya mangwhatsappa wena why ungarespondi cause udasi uyangisola sekuvuka kuhlanya kwami kanzi nyalo yangiphoqa yemfane bani cela ungangihlanyisi musuku ngisanganisa I'm not a good guy mne ngiyadigulela please ungangiphambatisi I choose to trust you cause I love you in my eyes you are an angel so please explain yourself I'm listening make sure I'm cause I've already called your friends and they said that you're here with me which makes me wonder where have you been my girl please tell me before I go Lalela Sthandwa Sami asengikwatise ubuhlungu longibise bona usuku bonke ngingakhona nekulala ngishimbilika ngikuquka ngikhala yathi injabulo yami isetandleni takho yobuhlungu bami busetandleni takho maye mina ngiyakuthanda I feel hurt so many times and I know just how it feels so baby don't you take me through that road again you came into my life you showed me love is there I don't wanna lose that hope yet again a special somebody I cannot lose nangabe impilo lifindvo then without you I am loose asibophe lifindvo ngendadatho and just make it to the news so everybody and my bodies know that you the one I choose see I know I'm insecure when I don't need a cure cause the love I have is pure you a book I cannot close you my angel with no wings then all for you I sing you my queen and I'm the king I'm the dog and you're my Lalela Sthandwa Sami asengikwatise ubuhlungu longibise bona usuku bonke ngingakhona nekulala ngishimbilika ngikuquka ngikhala yathi injabulo yami isetandleni takho yobuhlungu bami busetandleni takho maye mina ngiyakuthanda